Suddenly brakes. Very bad braking over there. This video I'm gonna try something different and changing another lane. What is going on? Both lanes make a left, so I'll just go over there. We cannot make it. The car was trying to go, but it decided not to go. So the car slows down to give a space to these cars. In version 11, I noticed so many phantom braking here and there, but version 12, this is the first time I saw phantom braking. Car slows down twice in the highway, and hello everyone, we are back with another full self-driving video, but in this video I'm gonna try something different. Like, what if I'm a passenger and I'm sitting in the back seat of a Tesla robotaxi, and we're gonna see if the car can take us to a UPS store, and it will be a 17 minutes drive, and we're gonna see how the car handles everything. I will try to explain everything. If the car makes any mistake or anything, I'm definitely gonna explain to you. So let's start the drive. So let's go. So I just turned on the indicator, like full self-driving, and it is going forward. It is coming out from in front of my driveway, and a stop for this is stop sign, and now making a right turn. Very nice move. Kind of a slow start here because this is always stop sign. The car creeps for some reason. You don't need to creep. So there is a key over here, as you guys can see, and the car gives some space and then move forward. Very nice job. We'll make a right turn here. I wish we could try this school bus situation. There is a school bus on our backside. We just turn on its red light to, give a stop sign to, drop the kids. But for some reason, we're not going in that route. We're going to the opposite side. But it is probably in the future video we'll try with the school bus. So we will make a right turn here. We are still 16 minutes away from this destination, and we'll see if the car can handle it. The car decided to change the lane. Again, decided to change the lane for some reason. Really don't know what is going on. And now there is construction going, and the car is changing the lane again, one more time. So 3 times already. And changing another lane. What is going on? Like, why you keep changing the lane? You don't need to do it. In this same road I always come. The car never did this kind of thing, but today it is just changing lane here and there for some reason. And now you should change the lane and go fast. But the car decided to stick around. So we're gonna merge into this 495 highway, and after this red light, we have to immediately change one lane to follow the navigation. But you will see, because of that bridge right over there in the straight, you will see there is a dark shadow under it, and sometimes in version 11 the car gets confused, but we are definitely gonna see how the car behave in version 12 under like shadows, under dark of bridge, and we're gonna try it. So the light just changed and we are moving forward. We'll see how the car handles this one. So it is turning on its indicator already, and it is following the route, and it stopped behind this car, which is a nice thing to do. What if, I'm not telling the car have to follow an individual person, but if I was driving this, both lanes make a left, so I would just go over there and make that left turn fast. But our car just decided, okay, the light just changed, and it was trying to go. It was trying to go at the very first moment, following that light green car, and then decided, okay, the light just changed. We cannot do it. So it stopped, which is the right thing to do because the light already changed. That car already passed on the yellow. We cannot make it. The car was trying to go, but it decided not to go, which is the right thing to do. Also, guys, if you guys are new in this channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel because I'm a new content creator. I make YouTube videos on Tesla's FSDs, full self-drivings, and like robotaxi like this. And we'll keep continuing doing it. If you guys support me watching this video, like this video, comment on this video. Thank you so much. We're gonna see how the car handles this left turn. The light already changed and we are making left. Very nice job. Very, very nice and accurate left turn. And immediately increase the speed. Very nice job there too. It is saying apply slight pressure to the steering wheel. So we have to get into this highway and we have definitely a space, turning on its indicator and right away move to this highway. Very nice job. Very, very nice job. So the car slows down to give a space to this car so that they can merge in, which is very impressive. That white truck was, turned on its indicator. So the car saw that and slows down immediately to give a space. But that my car gave a space to that red truck because we are very close to that white. So we cannot just decrease like from 70 to 30. We went 70 to probably 55. And then we give a space to that red truck, which is very human-like driving. If I was driving, I would do the same thing. I would definitely allow other car from whoever just getting into the highway will give a space. Definitely. Very nice job there. And in 1 mile or 0.9 mile, we have to take exit and we'll see how the car handles this one. Suddenly brakes, very, very bad braking over there. Like very phantom braking. I never faced phantom braking until in version 12. This is the first day I felt that. Phantom braking, because you don't need to do it. The road was clear. You just avoid that truck and you can change the lane. Still now you're not changing the lane. Now you're doing it, which is okay, but it is at the very last moment. You should change the lane right now. It is doing it right now. Very nice. And you should change another lane, or this both lane goes to that exit and you can do it. Very nice. Very, very nice. So what I was saying, in version 11, I noticed so many phantom braking here and there, but version 12, this is the first time I saw phantom braking in highway. So not so, used to with that in version 12, but the car did it. So we need to change another lane to follow the route, and the car did it perfectly. Very, very nice job. Very confident. After taking this exit, sometimes as a human being, I also felt uncomfortable because you have to change 3 lanes at once and then merge into another highway to follow the route. But our car did it perfectly. Very, very nice job. And as you guys can see, we turn on its indicator again and we are merging into this highway. Very nice job. Like until now, it is very, very smooth. Oh my God. Changing another lane, speeding up. Okay. Very nice. In 2.5 miles, we'll take the exit and follow our destination. So just imagine I'm a passenger. The car is doing everything by itself. And I'm just sitting here observing everything right now because it is called supervised Tesla full self-driving. But imagine in 8 months what Elon promised, that in 8 months, in 8.8, they're going to release that robo taxi. And I'm pretty confident they can do it. In this version, it doesn't make any mistake. It's still now no dangerous mistake, just a little bit of confusion here and there. And I'm pretty sure with this last 2-3 months data, the software will go way, way, way better. So there are few traffic here, as you guys can see, and we'll see how the car handles this situation. Very nice. You need to slow down now because That car is slowing down. Okay. This will be a very good test for FSD because we need to take exit and we'll see if the car can change lane and get into this right lane. Very nice job still now. Very, very good. Very good. We are just 6 minutes away from our destination and it is very human-like driving. I'm very impressed. Very lovely, lovely, lovely driving. Also, guys, if you guys are new in this channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel because in this channel, we're going to talk about full self-driving, Tesla, Elon Musk, and robotaxi and stuff like that. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. So we are just 0.8 miles away from making that exit, and we need to change the lane and move to right side or the right hand lane because we are gonna make a roundabout and go over there on our destination. So we'll see. It is a robo taxi, right? So I cannot help the car. I can definitely turn on its indicator, but I'm not gonna do it. Let's see if the car can handle it. So again, another phantom braking for some reason. It is daylight and the lights are very visible, but for some reason the car is just doing some phantom braking here and there. Our car changed the lane perfectly, very nicely. Get into this lane, no hesitation, no complaint there, but we should go straight. Don't go there. Yes, don't go there. You should go straight. There's a little hesitation by FSD. The car was just going like one lane divided by two, and the car was staying in the right side and then decided to move to the left. And no, not a major mistake, but the car was trying to decide which lane I should be in. And we are going into this roundabout and we're gonna see how the car handles this one. Slows down, very nice job, and we don't need to go any highway anymore. We just have to merge here and then we are going to follow our destination. There is no other car in our back. You should just get in. Why you're going super slow now? It is going super slow for some reason. So I had to increase the speed to tell the car go fast. For some reason, it was going 25 after getting from that roundabout, and it was going 25. My mistake, guys. I shouldn't assist the car, but because this is a very high speed road and the car was going super slow, so there are other car could be coming from back. So I had to, increase the speed a little bit. So I just increase the speed by, use the scroll wheel. We're definitely gonna see if the car can get into this driveway, and there is just one car get into this road, and yeah. I'm really not sure what the car is trying to do. It is trying to change the lane. That car, the blue car, it is very slow and it is trying to do weird stuff, and people are just getting bothered. So we're gonna see how the car handles this one. We are going a little slow and we're gonna make a right turn here. The car is making it. Very nice. Very, very nice. So we are very close to our destination. And our car did it, right, guys? I'm really grateful to Tesla AI team, Elon Musk, and all the people who are involved in this project. Thank you so much for this amazing tech that we just got, and really, really appreciate the time and love and support from you guys that you guys are watching. commenting and everything, guys. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day. But I want to finish this with something. That is, the car definitely navigate us without any major issues, major problem, major hesitation, or a major mistake. But still, there are few, ups and downs. The car slows down twice in the highway, and the car was slow when merging from a roundabout. And probably after all those data Tesla got, they're gonna fix this issue. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.